Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today for you guys, I have something a little different. It's not a review or unboxing per se, but it is a mystery box from a streetwear company known as Chinatown Market. I'm sure you guys have heard about them. If not, I'll definitely show you guys a few of the pieces I got from them. One of the main reasons I purchased this box is because I've never bought anything from them before, and normally their t-shirts are anywhere from 40, 45, all the way up to 60 sometimes. And for one t-shirt, for me, it's not really worth it. But this mystery box, you could either get a hoodie and a t-shirt or 3 t-shirts for $80. So in my mind, if I got the 3 t-shirt deal, that's a really good price. I think that's less than $30 a t-shirt. So it's a really good deal in my opinion to start off and get multiple pieces from them. Even though it is a mystery box and you're taking a chance, almost everything that they have released I have personally liked. They have that new colorful kind of design to everything. A lot of influencers out there higher up definitely wear Chinatown Market, and it's become a really big brand over the last couple years. So to finally be able to get some pieces, I'm very happy. So like I mentioned, this mystery box cost me $80. I got the 3 t-shirt bundle, and I actually got a free gift and stickers with this as well. So I think that's amazing that they did include that. But without further ado, let me stop rambling and let's just get into the t-shirts. So the first t-shirt right here is just a black t-shirt, and it just has a oval Chinatown logo on it. I will open these up for you guys because I do plan on keeping them all, that I know of at least. They all should hopefully work out, and all the graphics I got I like personally. So for this one, it's literally just a plain black t-shirt with the small Chinatown logo there. Nothing on the back. This is a very simple t-shirt that you could wear almost every day. A lot of different things. Very simple and casual. Yeah, that's just the first one. Here's a closer look at the logo. Getting into this next one, this is definitely my second favorite out of the 3. Sadly, it is on a white t-shirt. I prefer black or darker, like navy and brown t-shirts, just because white can kind of get dirty really fast, and at a certain point you can't do really anything except for bleach it or tie-dye it and hope it comes out good. Here's the second t-shirt I got from them. It is a Chinatown smiley face box. It says Chinatown Market on it. Let me open this one up for you guys. Like I mentioned, I'm very happy with this box. I think all the pieces I got were crazy, or not crazy, but just overall, I think the pieces I got, I like most of them. So as you open this t-shirt, it's just a white t-shirt with the square Chinatown Market logo and the smiley face. It is in, I believe, red and yellow. Here's a closer look at the logo for you guys. This one I probably won't wear as much, honestly, just because it is white. Like I mentioned, I don't really wear white t-shirts a lot, so this will definitely be a t-shirt I pull out in the summertime. Before I get into the best t-shirt out of all 3, I'm going to show you guys the stickers and the free gifts I got. The first sticker I got was just this Chinatown Market circle sticker. Plain simple, it's going to look great on a laptop or a phone. The next one is a Chinatown Market square, like just spell out with the smiley face basketball. I really like this one because I do play basketball, so for it to have that on it, and that's one of my favorite designs that they do, I was very happy. And then the last sticker I got was just this Chinatown Market kind of sunset, mountains, valley type sticker. I think this is really cool. This is definitely going on my laptop, and I'm very happy to get all 3 of those. So I'm debating if I should show you guys the free gift or the last t-shirt. I think I'm going to show you guys the free gift because this t-shirt is definitely my favorite, and it's probably my favorite t-shirt I've ever seen from them, in my opinion. But here's the free gift. It is a heavy duty keychain. So it has these 2 clasps. It's metal, I believe. It says Chinatown Market 1971 through 2019, the Smiley Company. And then right there, it's just kind of like a tie-dye Chinatown Market logo. I honestly think this is really cool. It's definitely one of my favorite keychains I've ever seen from them, and it being so heavy duty, I think it's amazing. This will probably go in my car, honestly. I'm gonna find a place to hang it in there just so it doesn't get all scratched up, but I don't know, I really like this for some reason. And it's definitely a very high quality keychain, and for it to come in the mystery box for free, I think it was awesome, great deal. Now for my favorite part of this whole mystery box and my favorite t-shirt. Let me just show you guys this. Let me unpackage it real quick. Let me figure this out. I believe this is one of their older drops that they did. I could be wrong, but they said they were including sold out items and as well as maybe early items that they haven't released yet. So when I saw this piece, I was very excited. So as you open it, you are greeted with the dunking bear with this smiley face, Chuck Taylors, and Phoenix on the top after the Phoenix Suns, and it's in the Phoenix Suns colorway. I personally really like this shirt. Like I said, having to do with basketball and it having the basketball and just the dunking bear, it kind of gives me a polo feel to it. Honestly, it says Chinatown Market 2020 on there. I don't know, this is just a t-shirt I'm definitely going to wear and put in a fit pick definitely soon. That's all I got in the mystery box. In my personal opinion, I definitely think it was worth the $80. Like I said, I got 3 t-shirts, 3 really high quality stickers, and a really high quality keychain. So for $80, I honestly don't think you can beat it at all. And I'm very happy with what I got. Let me know down in the comments what you guys liked most about this mystery box, and if you guys think it was a good deal. I don't know, let me know, because sometimes simple is better. I definitely will wear those other 2 t-shirts more than this one, just because those are kind of just simple plain t-shirts that I'll probably just wear around the house or going and getting groceries and stuff like that. Just daily t-shirts. That's really all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm trying to bring in different content just besides sneakers for you guys, because I know it can kind of get repetitive and boring after a certain point. Just trying to bring in streetwear and clothing to this channel is definitely going to be a thing I do in the future. So let me know if you guys like that. Definitely look out for a fit pick in some of these t-shirts on my Instagram at CamGoodwin12. Little plug there. They will be coming out very soon, and I'm going to try to make do with what I have, and let's see how it comes out. But that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I want to thank you guys for watching the video and watching it all the way through. If you did, I do appreciate it. It really helps out. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.